Imagine turning your fear of creepy crawlies into a thriving business. If you've ever wondered how to make big bucks while helping people reclaim their homes from pests, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal the step-by-step process to start your own pest control business and dominate the market. Ready to turn your bug-busting skills into a cash machine? Let's dive in. Welcome back to my channel, Prince Sam Official, where we turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Today, we're diving into an industry that's always in demand, pest control. Whether you're looking to start small or build a pest control empire, this video will guide you through every step of the process. From getting certified to winning your first clients, I've got you covered. Step 1. Research and planning. First things first, understand the market. Research the common pests in your area and the existing competition. Create a business plan that outlines your target market, pricing strategy, and marketing plan. Step 2. Certification and licensing. Next, get the necessary certifications and licenses. Each state has different requirements, so make sure you're compliant with local regulations. This not only makes your business legal but also builds trust with your clients. Step 3. Equipment and supplies. Now, let's talk tools of the trade. You'll need sprayers, chemicals, protective gear, and possibly a vehicle. I'll give you tips on where to buy quality equipment without breaking the bank. Step 4. Branding and marketing. Create a brand that stands out. A catchy business name, professional logo, and a user-friendly website are essential. Use local SEO and social media marketing to reach potential customers in your area. Step 5. Getting your first clients. Start with your network, friends, family, and local businesses. Offer introductory discounts to attract your first client. Once you've completed a few jobs, ask for reviews to build your online reputation. Step 6. Scaling your business. Once you're established, consider expanding by hiring employees, offering additional services, or branching out to neighboring areas. The key to growth is providing excellent customer service and maintaining strong client relationships. And there you have it, everything you need to know to start your own pest control business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in the pest control industry.